Hello, welcome to today's edition of Frightfully Forgotten Brews. And today we are featuring Antonio Bay American Wheat Ale. It is inspired by John Carpenter's classic The Fog, which takes place in Antonio Bay. Wheat beer is typically kind of hazy, so hence fog.
Yeah, it's
And
perfect.
An American wheat, so Antonio Bay. What the hell? It is made using 6 pounds of American wheat malt, 5 pounds of pale, and 10 ounces of Carapils. Very light in the hop addition. It is only a half an ounce of Chinook at the start of the boil, and then half ounce of Chinook at turnoff, and 1 ounce of Citra at turnoff. Just use plain American Ale yeast. I think I used the Fermintis US 05.
Right, yeah. That's
US 05, yeah. Should come out to about 23 IBUs. So it's just an easy drinking summer American ale, you know.
Nice. You'll need this when you fight the fog off.
Yeah, Blake and his men are coming to get you.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah.
Very good.